The 2026 Honda CR-V reinforces its status as the premier choice in the compact SUV segment by combining legendary practicality with a significant technology overhaul. For this model year, Honda has focused on digital refinement and rugged versatility to keep pace with evolving consumer demands and aggressive competition. Modernized tech new trims. The most significant update for 2026 is the standardization of high-end technology across the entire lineup. Every model now features a 9-inch color touchscreen, replacing the previous base 7-inch unit. This upgrade includes standard wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad on all trims. Higher-tier models like the EXL and Sport Touring receive a sophisticated 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and Google built-in integration. Additionally, the first-ever Trail Sport hybrid trim debuts, featuring all-terrain tires, rugged suspension tuning, and an exclusive ash green metallic paint for those seeking genuine light off-road capability without sacrificing efficiency. Performance efficiency. Honda continues its successful dual powertrain strategy, 1.5L turbocharged engine, standard on LX and EX trims, delivering 190 horsepower. It remains a reliable, punchy choice for daily commuting. 2.0L hybrid system, standard on sport trims, producing a combined 204 horsepower. This powertrain is the efficiency leader, offering up to 40 combined mpg and a smoother, quieter driving experience. Interior mastery. The cabin remains a benchmark for ergonomics, featuring body-stabilizing seats designed for long-distance comfort. Cargo capacity stays best in class at 39.3 cubic feet, while rear legroom exceeds 41 inches, plenty for tall adults or bulky car seats. With its blend of massive utility, updated connectivity, and fuel-sipping hybrid options, the 2026 CR-V remains the most well-rounded vehicle in its class.